Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Zcash with Kraken, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Zcash using Kraken, first, visit the Kraken website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. After signing up, verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Kraken account using your new credentials. Complete the identity verification process by providing the necessary personal details and identification documents. Once verified, navigate to the Funding tab on the dashboard. Select Deposit and then choose your preferred fiat currency. Follow the instructions to link your bank account or deposit funds via another method. After your funds are available, go to the Trade section. Select the Zcash, ZC, trading pair you wish to invest in. Decide how much Zcash you want to purchase and set your order type, whether it's market or limit. Review your order details carefully before confirming the purchase. Once the order is completed, navigate to your portfolio to view your Zcash holdings. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. You can withdraw your Zcash to a secure wallet for safer long-term storage. Stay informed about market trends and updates to make informed investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.